wait a minute.
Oh, something that'll help you sleep. Wait here. Okay, I'll give you a tiny bit of this. It should help you sleep.
What is it?
It's cough syrup. It's not really for kids, but a capful is pretty harmless.
Oh, so this is what Lil Wayne keeps almost dying from.
Stewie, what are you doing?
Huh? Oh, Brian. Oh, there you are. I've been looking all over the table for you. You know, I'm going to tell you, this stuff you gave me was a lifesaver last night. I was out like a light. And, you know, normally I'm up 5 or 6 times to scream and defecate. But you know what? I slept straight through.
Stewie, I told you, there's alcohol in that. It's not for kids.
You're not for kids.
Stewie, you're drunk.